Hello everyone, my name is Dele. Welcome to another section with II and C. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel so that you'll be the first to know when we release another video. So today we are going to be running a data cleaning and descriptive analysis with SPSS. Here I have a data set with 23 variables. You can see that from the variable views. You have 23 questions from the questionnaire, and I have 247 cases. When I say cases, it means the number of questionnaire distributed or the number of respondents. So I have 247 cases here. So first we learn to run a descriptive analysis, or let's say also through descriptive analysis we can do data cleaning to check for error in our entry. So let's get started. So first we can see this is the data view, and this is where the cases are entered, the response from the questionnaires. So this is questionnaire 1, the first questionnaire, second one, third one, as it follows. So, and also that you can view this in two ways. Is that in the value or the label format. Look at this. So when you have the label as 2, this is the label format. You have 2, 1, 2, 3. You have it in numerical form for categorical variables. So you can also see it in the label view. You can see. So this is the value. So it means 2 means 1. So it's actually the way it is coded here. You can view it in both ways. You can see from gender, for instance, we have 1 as male, 2 as female. So at the data view, you can either view it as 1, 2, or you can view it as male and female just by pressing this button up here. So then let's start the analysis proper. All you need to do is just move to the menu bar, click on analyze, then descriptive. So you have frequency table. So just click on frequency. This time around, for data cleaning, just take in all your variables at once so that you can see where there is error. So all you just need to do is you highlight, press shift, then down key to highlight everything, then you move to variables. Then what do we do next? We click on OK. Yeah, and here we are. So this is just the statistics. This is a kind of summary for the entry. For ages, we have 247 ages complete. The genders, 247 complete. So there's no missing value in those variables. So you can keep on going. So it means all the questions in the questionnaires were answered by all the respondents. Then it's going to give us a frequency table for each. For instance, age. We have how many people fall between the first category, second category, and third category. So then the gender, we have male, female, and all sorts. So so here we are. The ethnicity, something is actually missing here. So there were only 3 values coded. The first one is Yoruba, second one Igbo, third one Hausa. So definitely there is actually an error here. That is why we do number our questionnaire. So from here now, I can go through my questionnaire and see where the error comes from. So I can see my own error here came from questionnaire number 37. So all I need to do is data view, look for number 37. So this is probably where my error came from. So easily I can locate it. However, if you have not numbered your questionnaire, it may be quite difficult to manage this kind of error. So I'll just change it to probably check the right value that was chosen there. I think the value here was Igbo, and that's 3. And okay. Oh, sorry, the value here is okay. Number 3 Hausa. So you can see it has been changed. So if I should rerun this same analysis, I'll get a cleaner sheet. Let me just remove this and rerun the cleaning. So descriptive, frequency, then I'll just run. Bam. Also, you notice something up here. The ages you just have 1 2 3, definitely there's actually issue of value labeling here. The values for these ages have not been well labeled, so I can actually go back to the age to know what's actually wrong. Then here, gender, you have male and female. Ethnicity, you can see that the missing value 4 has been removed, and we now have the real value. So that made an increase in the number of Hausas in the respondents. Then religion, educational qualification, occupation, and number of children ever born, monthly income, you can see place of residence, and I think there's no missing value again. So we can either go back to recode our age. So here is a descriptive analysis showing just the frequencies of all the variables we have. So thank you so much. Okay, let's go through our age. So age was not well coded, so you can see something is missing at the value label here. So here is just doing the normal thing by adding maybe your a group 1, then we add the proper label to it. Let's see people from age 19 to 20. So that's just all you age 19 to 20. Okay, 15 to 20. Add, and you keep adding till you complete all the labels. So with that, it's going to be, you can see age 15 to 20. So if I keep working on the labels, I'll be able to label all from 1 to 7 one by one. So thank you so much. Don't forget to click on to like and subscribe to our channel so you'll be the first to know when we release another video. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.